Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook or make ground beef fried rice. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, ground beef, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, carrots, bean sprout, snow peas, and then mushroom, and then the rice. Bring it. Okay, first we're gonna put the carrots first. Snow-peas. Snow-peas are cooked. Now we're gonna add the mushrooms, the bean sprout, we're gonna add just a little soy sauce. Okay guys, so this one is already cooked, so I'm going to set aside this one first. I'm gonna do. Okay, so next we're gonna add the. Well, I already transfer it to other container, and now we're gonna saute the garlic. Onion. Guys, the rice. 4 cups of rice. all the mushroom, the carrots, the bean sprouts, and then the onions, the garlic. Gusto nyo gumay lang. Hindi ito matay na yun. Add a black pepper. Oh. Just a pinch of salt. Pinch of chili flakes. Another spoon. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Sarap. So, that's our ground beef fried rice. Okay, that's it, guys. That's yummy. Ground beef fried rice. Okay, so it's done. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dbruja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts guys, my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, personal blog, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.